Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited to be doing this video with a partnership with Micheals to show you how to do Hydrodip ornaments personalized with your Cricut Maker 3. Hydrodipping is super simple and easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it, and then we're going to personalize with smart materials with our Cricut Maker 3. To start this project, we're just going to need a bowl of room temperature water. We're going to use our acrylic blanks from Micheals, some spray paint. I'm going to use 2 different colors to give it a good swirled texture, and we're going to let that sit overnight. Let's go ahead and start the Hydrodip process. Of course, when spray painting, be sure to do it in a well-ventilated area, and I'm just going to be using a disposable bowl that I can get rid of, toss, and let's go ahead and start spraying into the bowl. I'm just doing short bursts of the spray paint to give it that swirled effect. Then I'm going to take my acrylic blank from Micheals, and I'm only going to dip one side into the paint, and then we're going to lay that to the side to dry. I'm going to start out with putting my smart materials into the roll holder. You just tuck it in underneath, and it's really nice because it has a paper trimmer with it, so I just feel like we get less waste this way. Onto my Cricut design space. I've got my designs ready. I'm just going to click Make It, and because I have my machine selected as a Maker 3, I get the option to choose to cut without the mat, and that is really revolutionary with these machines. So I'm just going to load it in. It's going to measure your material length. Just making sure that you have enough, and then press the flashing go button. After you're done, just unload the mat. Then I'm going to use the paper trimmer to trim that excess vinyl. I'm going to move the roll holder off to the side. Okay. I love the smart materials because they're a thicker material, they're easier to weed. With smart materials, you're still going to use the same transfer tape. So I'm just going to measure me out a little bit, trim it away to not have any waste. Peel the transfer tape off of the backing. We're going to apply it onto the design. Burnish that down. You can use a scraper, but if you're a practical crafter like me, just use your scissor handles. Find your Cricut Maker and smart materials and all of your other supplies at your local Micheals store or online at micheals.com.